people, get out the history books. Sal Masekela saluting the double arms over the head. Congratulations from Brian Deegan. Gold medalist from the vert, Chad Kagi, watching from the top of the vert ramp in awe. And ladies and gentlemen, we have just been blown away one more time. If this is not a perfect 100, I don't know what is. Let's please see it again.
Off the ramp, it's kicked up to 69 degrees. It's 48 feet out, and this is perfect.
It doesn't get any better. Look how hard he pulls off the back of the motorcycle. One flip completely around. He still has the head arched backwards. Total commitment. Not one bit of doubt. Travis Pastrana just earned his first gold in 4 events. He will try for gold in here at the X Games. I will not doubt him in any of them after seeing that. Wow, 199 bringing the big stick to X Games 12.
Look at the power off the top of this ramp. He sees the landing. He knows he has to go around one more time. But what is really incredible about this trick is when he comes down and puts both wheels on the dirt at the same time, right there.
Wow, Jesse James rocking up. Jesse and Twitch standing by. They cannot believe it. We cannot believe it. You at home, I'm sure you cannot believe it. The brand new score.